Hey Ewan, it's Bonner here. This is the man in the skip picking up our skip today. It was full of garbage. And we thought of you, we thought we'd videotape it for you. He's just hooked up all the chains to the corners of the skip. And here comes the lever, here it comes. Oh, nice and strong. We've had lots of garbage in there, mate. So all just about safe and sound. Just getting in the right spot. That's done. Thanks mate, thank you. Garbage man just said goodbye. We'll get him driving out, mate. Oh, righto. Dude, thanks, mate. Thank you. See you, mate. And he had to pick up the blocks of wood. The blocks of wood helped the skip not get bogged in the grass. Bit of leverage, and off he goes. Right, he's tooted us. And we're done, mate. There he goes.